So stem cell patches are changing regenerative medicine. If you stay tuned to this video, I'll explain why. Yesterday, I posted up a video on how stem cells actually work. A lot of people don't know. They don't know the technology behind them. You may have heard about things like stem cell injections, which are a very common way of getting stem cells up in your body. But there is a new technology. It's a technology involving stem cells, a patch. Now, what that patch does is it doesn't have anything in it. I often get asked questions, what's the active ingredient in the patch? How does the patch work? What are the chemicals in the patch? Well, the good news is there's no chemicals in the patch. There's no active ingredient in that patch. What the patch does is it uses phototherapy technology to stimulate your own body to start activating your own stem cells. Now, this you will know about. I've talked about it lots. By the time you're 30, half your stem cells will become inactive. By the time you're 60, most of your stem cells are inactive. What does that mean for us? Well, you should tune into yesterday's video, but I'll go into it very lightly here. It basically means that the system that we have in our body to replace cells, to renew cells, is slowing down. Every single day that you're on the planet, you're losing more and more and more stem cells. So people go and they get injections from external sources. They're harvested from another source. That can be controversial. And those stem cells that have been harvested historically are then injected into the body, and they cause this regenerative process to start. It starts that regenerative process in our bodies. Now, stem cell patches actually have the same effect, but it's using your own body to do that process. The light that comes out of your body is reflected back into your body, and what it causes is the stem cells to start reactivating, to start coming alive again. Now, what's the importance of that? Well, the importance of that is that those new stem cells cause regeneration of other cells in our body. Well, what does that matter? Well, some of those other cells that are being regenerated are cells that are dying or that are being lost slowly over time. So stem cells have this ability to divide. They also have this ability to actually turn into other cells. So cells that are dying in your body, a stem cell divides and it reproduces, or it regenerates that other cell in your body. And it's not just one single cell, it's multiple thousands, tens of hundreds of thousands, millions and millions of cells. So you'll find that people who've got diseases, illnesses, that are caused really by cells degenerating, becoming broken in our bodies, stem cells divide and then they reproduce and they turn into those cells that are broken in your body. It's an amazing thing. And so stem cell patches are the new regenerative medicine. They're causing our body's cells to regenerate. I can testify personally. I get loads of people saying, different things, but I'm talking about your body actually starting to regenerate, just the inside parts, your injuries that you've had, illnesses that you've got. Stem cells are a key to reproducing those cells and renewing those cells so that the effects of that illness, the effects of that sickness, the effects of that injury are reversed. You really need to get involved if you've got any form of illness, sickness or disease. You're just feeling creaky because you're getting older, or maybe you're a young athlete, as the story of Bill. Go and look that video out. It's an amazing testimony. Young athlete, took the patches, put them on his body, and the injuries that he had started to be reversed. He had no pain. They're great testimonies all over our TikTok and all over our Facebook social media. Please sign up to the link in my bio and I will gladly send you more and more information on this. Thanks for tuning into this video. I'll see you on the next one.